time for another episode of What's in the Shop. So behind me, we'll start in the tint bay. We've got a Nissan GTR. This thing is vinyl wrapped with some kind of 3M color flow, color shift vinyl. It's pretty cool. We are retinting the front two windows on this car. Over here, we've got an F-150. Patrick has ceramic coated. This one's done and ready to go home, right? Yep, ready to go home. He's working on the Porsche Macan now, so this one is currently getting polished and ready for a ceramic coating also. We've got a Ford Raptor here for a yearly maintenance inspection on the coating. We coated this thing last year, and also I think we cleaned up the interior of this one. We've got a C8 Corvette. This one we did a full wrap on. I think we tinted the windows as well and ceramic coated the car. And now Jimmy, it's his birthday. Everybody say happy birthday, Jimmy. Jimmy is ceramic coating the interior, so there's a leather product designed to make it easier to clean stains and things like that off of the leather and just overall protect the interior from UV rays, all that fun stuff. Marshall's working on the second remote start of the day. It's on a Hyundai Kona. It's almost that time of year where we're gonna be doing like 10 remote starts a day every single day, so you ready? Give us a call if you don't have a remote start. Chris and Jake have been working on a full detail package on this Mercedes E-Class. And Jake is working on prepping the front end of this brand new Yukon Denali. This one's getting paint protection film on the front end. We tinted the windows on it as well, and then we're gonna be protecting the pillars. If you know anything about these and Fords and basically every car that has black pillars like this, these aren't painted and clear coated. These are like a actual black plastic and they scratch up very easy. They're very soft, so it's good to have those protected. We've got an Audi SQ5. This one got a full paint protection wrap like 3 years ago, as well as a ceramic coating. It's back for a yearly checkup. Got a Volvo XC60, I believe. We did paint protection film on the full front end of that a couple of weeks ago, and it's back for a ceramic coating. This AT4, we just did paint protection on the front end, the front bumper, the rocker panels, the tailgate, the rear bumper. This actually belongs to Patrick, our lead ceramic coating guy. He just got this traded in the Golf R that beat me on every race on the airstrip. So I'm kind of happy. His truck is now slower than my car's. This 4Runner got window tint and I'm pretty sure a remote start and heated seats as well. Yep, so it's got heated seats in it, remote start. This AT4 got paint protection film also, and then we prepped it and it's ready for ceramic coating. So it's next in line for the coaters. In this Dodge Ram, we previously coated the truck. We're going to be doing a yearly maintenance on it, and also the rear bumper is getting recoated. I don't know if it was in an accident or what happened to it, but it's getting ceramic on that. And this Dodge Ram got window tint this morning, so it is ready to go home. We did the front windows and a visor. And this old Chevy, I think you guys saw it last week on What's in the Shop. We just finished her up today. It got some audio upgrades. We installed a radio that looks like the factory radio, but that's actually a Bluetooth and auxiliary input capable radio, so a lot more modern. And did some speakers just in generic boxes there, some Focal speakers. Just something quick and easy, just so they have something to listen to. And this Honda Accord was here for a remote start system also. That one got done this morning. Hellcat Charger, this one's from the dealership. It's here for racing stripes, if I remember correctly. So we're gonna be doing bumper to bumper stripes on this thing. It's the right colors for Blackout. Out front, we've got a Bmw X3m. This one looks familiar. We just did one very similar to this a couple of weeks ago. We did paint protection film on the partial hood of this one. So sometimes people are saying, what does it look like when you do a partial hood? You can see the line a little bit from the camera, you probably can't. We also protected the front bumper of this car. And we've got a Camry. This one got a remote start system with a 1 mile range installed yesterday. All right, so we're gonna take you down to the other location and show you what's going on there as well. All right, guys, we're over at the other shop. Behind me is the Hummer you've seen, I think, a couple times now. It is basically done. We were waiting on some rubber seals to show up from the customer. They're coming today, so hopefully by tomorrow this thing is gonna be done and ready to head home. And over here we've got an F-150. I think it just showed up last week. Again, still waiting on parts. The current events have our shipping kind of messed up on some stuff, but we're doing some lighting on this truck. You can see some of them are being mounted on the bed there. There's gonna be lights all over. We're gonna do a separate video on this truck to show you exactly what we did. That's it for what's going on in the shop this week, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We will see you next time.